Alright, so if you're like most people, you break drill bits, and you break a lot of them. So what I'm going to show you today is how to fix them. Step number one is pound them out flat. Like you can see right there, that's twisted, so you got to make sure they're flat. So now what I'm going to do is just kind of line them up here, and then just like that, and then I got my little kind of spacer thing here that I'm going to put underneath of them. Okay, that's good. Now that I'm just going to put a weld on them. Then just put a nice big bead on there. Just like that. Flip it around, and we're going to do the same thing. And there's that. Now we're just going to wait for it to cool down for a second. Alright, now that it's cooled down, I'm just going to put it on the bench grinder here for a second and get rid of some of this kind of like overshoot from the welder, like that big bump right there. Alright, now as you can see, all the lumps right there are gone for the most part. They're still there just a little bit, but it's pretty darn good. And you can see it rotates without it like a normal drill bit should. So now let's try it out because it should be done. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it is still the same drill bit. And let's try it out. Let's just see if it'll work. Boom, just like that. It's drilled, the hole's real, and just like that you can fix your drill bit in basically 3 minutes. That's pretty much it. Thanks, bye.